Hi there, and welcome to TechLighten.me. In this video, I want to show you how to make the taskbar transparent in Windows 11. To make the taskbar transparent in Windows 11, you have to use a third-party app. You can't do it with the registry like you can in Windows 11. Start by opening your browser of choice, and then do a Google search for TranslucentTB, as shown on screen. There will be a few results, but you can select the official website, like shown on screen. On the next page, click on the Download Now button. On the next page, click on Start Download. Once it's downloaded, click on the file to open it. On the installation screen here, you can just click on the Install button. It will start installing the app and automatically launch it once it's finished. You'll see this welcome screen here with some info. You can just click on Continue. Now you will find the settings of the app in the system tray, like shown on screen here. By default, it should be set on the Clear setting, which makes the taskbar completely transparent, but you have some other options here too. One other setting you should look at is that it starts on boot. That means it will launch automatically when you start your computer. Having a transparent taskbar is nice because you can put windows behind it and still see inside them. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.